Hello everybody, it's Chrissy from Chrissy's Beautiful Life, and I have a Scrapbook Your Joy haul for you, along with a little bit of Spiegel Mom scraps, and I'm so excited. So for Spiegel Mom scraps, they're actually August's release, but of course being up in Canada, I don't get them till the end of the month, so I'm always a month behind, but it doesn't matter because I'm so excited to play. So there's Dolphin Love, and they have little dolphins in them, and they're lovely. And this would have been so handy for this month's How to Kill a Kit with Style, but I will make those work in another layout. Lovey-dovey, how fun is that? And it matches this collection as well. I'm actually gonna leave it with my Cocoa Vanilla Citrus Twist. Look at all those lovely yellows. This one is called Strawberry Field. And then Luscious Lime. And I'm not a green person, but I really like that mix. So cool. Okay, now, oh, hold on. Wouldn't be a video for me if you didn't hear one of my kids having some sort of a meltdown. Okay, anyways, like I said, I'm gonna put those aside, but it does match this collection. I pre-ordered the Cocoa Vanilla Studios Daydream from Scrapbook Your Joy. As soon as she posted that she had it, I ran to get everything. So I got one of everything, with the exception of something I got two of, so that I was over the threshold, because once you spend, if you're in Canada, once you spend $75, shipping is free. And it was quick, guys. She got it, she packed it, got it in the mail. I wasn't technically supposed to get this until Monday, and it arrived today, which is Friday, and it is 11:18 in the morning. So I love it. So excited. So let's share with you what I got. I got everything that she has in the shop. Now, she fulfills pre-orders that everyone has done already, and then whatever is left is what goes into the shop. So if you feel like something is missing, like they didn't have something that you see here, next time she has a pre-order, she always pre-orders her Cocoa Vanilla Studio. So next time she does that, make sure you get on that, because you guys, look at, oh, it's so pretty. And it's affordable, which I find amazing, because you know how expensive Cocoa Vanilla Studio can be when you're not in Australia. So yeah, I love it. So these are the Puffy Hearts, and I love them. And I got 2 packs because I think I'm gonna do a giveaway. So I got 2 packs, and they're fun. So there's a tan and a green and a yellow and a red. And then this is really fun too. It's the Sequins and Flowers. Now these flowers are quite bulky. I have no idea how I'm gonna use them. I might try to do a home decor instead. Or I might put this in with the giveaway. I haven't quite decided, but I did get that. The Flare, which are thin, and I love them. So there's a Choose Joy, a rainbow, Oh My Stars, You Are My Sunshine, the super cute heart, and the Good Life. The Ephemera, which has all these florals and houses, and I love it. And some of these houses and stuff like that, it's gonna work so well for the state that we're all in right now, right? We're home so much more, so having houses and things like this is just fabulous. And then I also got all the words. So You Are My Sunshine, Our Happy Place, Lucky, The Good Life, The Good Life, Days is Home Sweet Home, Love, Dream Big, Heart This, Family Together, Little Beautiful Moments, and Oh Lovely Time. So I'm sure you can mix and match, but those are the words that are in there. And then I got both the 6x8 and the collection kit, which also comes with some stickers. So please excuse the noise for a second. So here's the sticker sheet, which is gorgeous. Look at those colors. I love it. Okay, so there's that. And then you get 2 of each one. So you get to use the A and the B side. So how gorgeous. Look at the rain and yellow. This is my favorite sheet in the whole thing is this, and I have 2 pieces of it, but look at the back of it, the wood grain. They know how to make you want to buy like 10 sheets because they put the 2 best ones on the one thing. So there's this fun watercolor stripe and a watercolored background in pink. Beautiful wreath with the blue. A cut apart, which I love. I love cut aparts. And then that's the back of it. And I have a plan. I'm going to start collecting cut aparts, which will come into play beginning of next year. Look at this one. I love this one too, with feathers on the back for the B-side. This gorgeous watercolor background with a perfect black dot. Butterflies that you know will be getting fussy cut out, and the hearts, and that is all of the papers. So I love them. And then of course you get all the exact same patterns in a 6x8 format, minimized just a little bit so that you can use them in a smaller print. So I am so excited to get this. This was kind of a birthday gift to myself, basically, is why I decided to get this. And I'm so excited that I was able to purchase it through Scrapbook Your Joy. I love supporting a local, and local I mean by my country. I love being able to support someone local, and she's amazing. If you have any questions, you can message her. She's quick at responding. She will get to you within 24 hours. She keeps you updated on things. She let us know that this was running a little bit late, and then it showed up, and when it was being shipped, she's on it. There is a Facebook group called Scrapbook Your Joy Inspiration, and she issues a challenge every month, and there's normally 3 parts to it, or 3 separate challenges. It's an amazing place to be, and it's small. It's a smaller community, which I actually appreciate, because you really get to see the beautiful products and the things that people create with it. It doesn't get lost as much as it can in other groups. So I actually appreciate the fact that it's a little bit smaller. However, I'd love for you to check it out, look online. Even if you're in the US, think about the fact that it's going from Canadian prices to American prices, so it might actually be cheaper. And just have a look and support an amazing company. All right, thank you everyone so much for watching. Bye.